awful. Might be the worst spot of the trip. Yeah, just north of Fruitbat Falls.
Get out, get out, get out.
Yes, huge. There's one more, I think. Go down, right. He did. Very smoky.
The dramas continue. That right there is a belt. That right there is the belt that was on it. And as you can see, rubber everywhere. But we've snapped the drive belt. Which is from the idler pulley, which Dave is working on now. Luckily he has a second hand of both of them that we're really hoping are going to be good enough. Tele track, eh? video update. Day 3 on the tele track. There's been some serious drama. Everything's a bit bittersweet at the moment. We just had a beautiful swim. We are in Sam Creek campground. Awesome spot. Went to the little waterfall there. But we'll just see back in the other video where we had an issue with the leak in fuel tank, I think, and that was looking like it was a game over. I think we've sealed it up enough to keep cruising, but then unfortunately we done the belt yesterday on the patrol, the serpentine belt on the front, and after further inspection we realized it was the bearing on the alternator had seized up and collapsed. So we pulled the alternator out yesterday, pulled the whole alternator apart last night and found that. There's really no way around it to get it running. And the belt, I might have showed you before, that's it. So it's cactus. In the back here is the alternator. We did get it to turn, but there's no bearing in the back of it. So it's cactus. What we've managed to do is put all the intake and everything back on, and we've just got, you can't see it at the top there, we've got a ratchet strap cut up and a bunch of zip ties on at the moment. That's first. It does, we've tried it, started it, it does turn, not much under load though. So we're going to see how far we can get out of here. Try and make it to Bamaga to get some phone signal to ring around. Find a new alternator and a new belt. Which will probably mean a trip back down to Weipa maybe. We just don't know how we're going to get parts yet. And we'll probably have to redo this multiple times just to try and get things sorted. Yeah, hectic day yesterday. I did gunshot. And it's raining again, which whatever. Side steps busted. I busted my bull bar. Not busted it, but moved it by the impact of gunshot. For the most part, my car's going alright at the moment, so we really rely on that to get out of this at the moment, which we're sorting it out. Do the tele track, they said. It would be fun, they said. We'll see how this day goes. There'll probably be updates. Alright, video update with Zane. The patrol idea didn't work, so we're heading to Weipa. Had to get some parts there for the patrol to carry on. But here we are, heading back down. We got no back seats in the back, so poor Ellie.
I'm comfy on some pillows and a butt pad.
Seat belts are still in, Mum. Yeah, so we're getting there. Big drive today, but we should be right. Hopefully back tomorrow. What are we doing? Bush mechanics. What a weapon. Got some pigs here. Yeah, boar. Oh. Here we go, look at them. They're moving through. They got some in there. They got some. Look at them go. Here we go. Yahoo! Come here, piggy! Whee! Whee!
car would be this entertaining for two boys. This is the second wreckage we've come across. Whatever someone's trash is someone else's treasure. These two are frothing over cars and pigs. Pajero.
Oh, a few 4Xs in the back. Wait, tell me what we found.
Oh, an alternator.
Fucking alternator. Nothing but maroon.
I know, bush mechanics.
Yeah, different, you know. Gotta find some shit on the side of the road. You love it. Close. Very close. Oh, let's pull it apart anyway when we get to Weipa, have a look. I don't trust that. This shit there. That bearing might be alright. Let's have a look at it. If we get a bearing in the back of that, that can be our backup plan if the other one doesn't work. Roger. Maybe. We stopped at 3 now. 3 broken down cars to have a look at the parts. Finally got something that somewhat resembles it. It's close enough to the other one. Add more weight rubbish.
Look, close your eyes.
Hold your face down. Sunset markets in Weipa.
Weipa Airport. Qantas plane, and we're here to pick up David's package. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? It's not here. Ooh, it's one of these boxes.
I don't know where the guys are, but
Let's go! You're right, the box is...
We've got it! Oh mate, it's like, yeah, you better get back to it quick.
Wow.
The rest of it in there. Have a look.
That sunset's nice.
Looks like just an alternate box from here. Took everything out, he said. Yeah, it's all in there. Check to make sure they're right. In Weipa. Freight plane has just landed. Look what it's brought us. New alternator, new drive belt. There's the old one. There's the steel stick to repair the fuel tank. We're pretty happy. Happy as chappy. So now we're going to do the 300 and whatever K drive through the night over corrugations. get back to the car. Hopefully the car's still there. And then we're going to kick on and try and get to the tip, finish the tele track. So we made it happen in 24 hours. It's a big effort, but we're back on track, hopefully. Sweet. Yeah, finally got a little snaky boy. What a beautiful little fella. That's it. Alright, you got him. See you later, buddy. Little update video after yesterday. We got the parts off flight from Cairns to Weipa at about 6 last night. Made the drive 320 k's back to where we were halfway up the tele track. About a 5-hour drive. Got here pretty late last night. Set up camp again. Just fitted the new alternator this morning and the new belt. Unfortunately, Dave snapped the bolt, which we tried for a long time to get that out, so we just have to run with it with the two at the moment. Just had another swim in Sam's Creek, which was good. I'm going to try and push out, finish the telly today. Got Mistake next, Cannibal, Logan, Cypress, the log bridge, and then Nolans Brook at the end, which is always a concern. Unfortunately, the fuel tank has gotten a lot worse. It's about a quarter of a tank left, so we lost a fair bit the 2 days we went back to Weipa. So just kind of monitor that, see how much comes out of it. Tried to fix it up with soap again, a few other things. It's still coming out, so Dave's going to press on to finish the telly with us, and he might have to head straight back to Cairns after that. Kind of run out of time to do Frenchman's on the way home too, so we'll just take it day by hour at this stage. Pretty excited and nervous for today. Another big day. We might get to the tip maybe today or tomorrow, so see how we go. Cannibal Creek. Another steep drop in. It's so deep on this side. I think you should walk it first. You need the walking track. Oh, he's
Oh, turn his wheel. Oh shit.
We've been waiting for this one for a while. We watched 1,000 videos of it. This is Cypress Creek. Bit of Telstra rope, lashing it together. Yeah, she's seen more stable things. Let's give it a go. We are about to cross Cypress Creek, the infamous log bridge. And it's not scary, it's just cool. Over. We are over.
That way.
Done. Welcome to Logan's Creek. Just checking the water depth. It's pretty deep. That was Logan's. It was pretty bloody deep. I got water in all 4 doors, but not too much. Managed to rip the carburetor off as well. Unfortunately, I've tried to fly my drone again here after we drowned it in Cockatoo Creek, and it started again, but unfortunately the lens is fogged up from the moisture, so I think that's game over for the drone for this trip. Maybe forever, but I'll try to get it fixed or dried out back home. So yeah, we're down to one more obstacle for the tele track, which is the infamous Nolans. That's where we're going now. Checking out each one of the water crossings. None of them are shallow or easy, but try and find the best one.
Oh yeah, you broke it. There we go. There you go. You can have that one.
He's doing.
Let's go.
Do the infamous Nolans Brook crossing. Pretty nervous. We're doing it.
got that? Oh no!
Oh, Jesus.
How am I losing that clip? Oh, mate.
Pulled the air filter off, air intake, sucked all the water out of the turbo. Just removed all 4 glow plugs. I'm going to try and kick it over and hopefully we can get the water out and get a bit of life back in this thing. Here we go. Right, hold it on.
Just pulse it like toot, 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 and that's it, like 2 seconds. Yep, that's it. Do it again. Yep. Again. Okay, you can hold it now. All the water's out.
Hold what?
Hold the ignition on.
How long?
4 seconds. Okay, it's diesel coming out now.
Turn it off.
Yeah.
I'm when you're ready.
Yeah, fire. Nah, that's still water. Mixed with water and diesel. Probably need to do that a couple more times. Yeah, just start it up. I'll tell you when to turn it off. Look out, Ellie, it's going to blow a bit of smoke out. Leave it on. Alright, give me a little bit of rev to get that turbo empty. Bit more. Yeah, idle it for like the next 5 minutes.
Well, we just became a statistic of Nolans Brook. I didn't think it would happen to me. I thought I did the right thing. We're going to look back over the footage and see too fast, too slow, wrong gear, wrong line, tyre pressures could have been lower. There's a bunch of things that could change, but I thought I had it right. 3 cars went before me on the same line. That might have been what I did wrong. I thought I waited long enough for the freaking flies, for the sediment to settle down a bit, but end of the day I got stuck. Then we had a bit of in the panic of the situation, dropped the D-shackle, and just where my air intake was sitting in the water, it was like the lowest point, it was right where the air intake was. Sticker flexed the whole snorkel system up before I left. Not 100% sure where it got in yet, maybe around the air filter box itself. But we pulled the intercooler off, got all the water out of the intercooler, all the water out of the turbo, pulled the glow plugs out, cranked it, got all the water out. It seems to be at this stage there's none in the oil. We'll have to keep checking that. And it cranked over, and it hasn't run rough yet, where this is the first time I'm about to drive off from Nolan's now, so I'm going to try and make the ferry before it stops, hopefully. So yeah, we'll keep. How do you feel about it, Ellie?
I feel like you've completed all of the obstacles on the tele track, and the very last one got you, but you did it. Like, and your car's running right now, so thank goodness. Hopefully we'll get out.
This happened to Dave before, so he had a pretty good idea of what to do. I wouldn't have been able to do it myself, so we'll be positive for now, and thoughts and prayers from here to the tip. Keep you updated.
That's the hill.
To the tip. we did see it. My lord, there it is. The sign. So we throw all our money away to get to the sign.